Introduction to automotive systems and their functions. Overview. Automotive systems are groups of components that work together to perform a specific function in a vehicle. The major automotive systems include the powertrain, chassis, and electrical systems. Each system has a number of subsystems that work together to ensure the safe and efficient operation of the vehicle. Powertrain. The powertrain is the heart of the vehicle and is responsible for converting the chemical energy in fuel into mechanical energy that moves the vehicle. The powertrain includes the engine, transmission, and drive shaft. Engine. The engine is the heart of the powertrain and is responsible for converting the chemical energy in fuel into mechanical energy. There are two main types of engines: gasoline engines and diesel engines. Gasoline engines use spark plugs to ignite a mixture of air and fuel, while diesel engines use compression to ignite the fuel. Transmission. The transmission is responsible for transferring the power from the engine to the wheels. The transmission has a number of gears that allow the engine to operate at its most efficient speed, regardless of the speed of the vehicle. Driveshaft. The driveshaft is a long, rotating shaft that transfers power from the transmission to the wheels. The driveshaft is used in vehicles with rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Chassis. The chassis provides the foundation for the vehicle and supports the powertrain, suspension, brakes, and steering. The chassis includes the following components: frame, body, suspension, brakes, steering. Frame. The frame is the main structure of the vehicle and provides the foundation for the other components. The frame is made of steel or aluminum and is designed to withstand the forces of the vehicle's weight, acceleration, and braking. Body. The body is the outer shell of the vehicle and provides protection for the passengers and cargo. The body is made of metal or plastic and is designed to be aerodynamic and stylish. Suspension. The suspension is responsible for absorbing the bumps and vibrations from the road and keeping the vehicle stable. The suspension consists of springs, shock absorbers, and linkages. Brakes. The brakes are responsible for slowing down and stopping the vehicle. The brakes consist of brake pads, rotors, and calipers. Steering. The steering is responsible for controlling the direction of the vehicle. The steering consists of a steering wheel, steering column, steering rack, and tie rods. Electrical system. The electrical system provides power for the vehicle's ignition, lights, and other electrical components. The electrical system includes the following components: battery, alternator, starter. Battery. The battery is the source of power for the electrical system. The battery is charged by the alternator when the engine is running. Alternator. The alternator is a device that generates electricity to recharge the battery. The alternator is driven by the engine. Starter. The starter is a device that provides the initial power to start the engine. The starter is powered by the battery. Conclusion. Automotive systems are complex and work together to ensure the safe and efficient operation of the vehicle. By understanding the different systems and their functions, you can be a more informed and safe driver.